What's up, YouTube? First ride on the CRF. So far I'm loving it. I mean, I did a break-in ride, but this thing's pretty nuts with the 132 big bore ported race set on the 85. And I got a Avail hydraulic clutch. I kept the stock clutch so it doesn't stall, which is really nice, but it's nice for shifting. It makes shifting faster and it's just all around better. Clutch dumping and shit like that. Big bike whoops. These are not pit bike whoops. I want to get rolling right off. This thing rips though. You hear that rattling? I got a washer underneath my steering stem. It's rattling. I need to tighten my steering stem a little bit. But I'm already out here, so I'm gonna deal with it. How's it going?
Good. We're just ripping around having fun.
Nice.
Yeah, it's a fun place back here.
Yeah, it is. Don't come here much anymore.
Yeah, this is the first time I've been out here in probably 15 years.
Really?
Everything's changed.
Back here much. It's too sandy for the pit bikes. Can't really ride. Fucking tree got in front of me. Oh, yeah, there's no waters in there. It wheelies so easy with this big bore. Just effortlessly. Apparently he needs a seat bounce. I didn't know you could seat bounce utility ATV. Yeah, almost like clear the road. I'd like to take a little break in the video just to show you guys super clean. You've probably seen it around. You got the aerosol can here, Tough Task cleaner and degreaser. You got the spray can, aerosol. You can get this stuff like literally anywhere. They have all kinds of different stuff. I've tried all their stuff. I love it all. The floor absorbent works great. The aerosol can stuff works great. The wheel cleaner works great. I use it on my car. And honestly, I should probably try it on these too, because it'd probably do it even better. But it's so simple. I rinse my bike off, and I do this after every ride just to keep it clean. Like all this dirt and grime and grease that I got in there, like from the chain wax and all that crap, I just give it a good... I just really get all that crap. I honestly put a little bit everywhere just because I love this stuff so much. All that orange grime on there, it's gonna pull all that stuff right off with a little bit of sitting, just a little scrub. The squirt bottle works great too. I don't know which one I like better. It's hard to say. I normally just get both of them and I use, you know, all of them. Alright guys, it's after a full wash. Didn't pressure wash or anything, just give it a little scrub. Stuff definitely works. Obviously it's not going to bring back the coating on your side covers and stuff, but definitely does clean it up a lot. Some of that stuff's really in there. You need a pressure wash to get that out. But it does a good job, so if you ever see it around, I definitely wouldn't hesitate to buy a can or two.